Hey guys, it is Monday morning. I swear I'm getting sicker and sicker by the day because I work literally every day. So now my ear feels like it's maybe infected. I swear I'm like, I'm having some coffee in my little bear mug. I just made it, or just like finished. Let me test it out. Oh, it's pretty good. So today I have one of the shifts that I hate the most, which is 10 to 7, which basically leaves absolutely no time for anything else. But I still need to go to the grocery store this evening, and I need to wrap a few more presents. I need to vlog. So yeah, I don't know how I'm supposed to get things done. I also still feel like I need to find my dad another present. I'm realizing too that I haven't been consistent with my laser treatments, my like at-home laser thing, but I shaved my arms maybe like, God, it's well over a week, maybe even close to 2 weeks, and it's like not growing back. And I haven't even done that many treatments. Like, I need to do more treatments and just haven't been thinking about it, but I'm noticing the hair's not growing back, so it's working. I mean, I did just a few, but at any rate, I'm gonna have some coffee. I'm probably, and these breakouts will not go away. Like, I just feel like until I get some time to like be at home, like, I don't know, I need some time to be at home, and then I will get better. I need to be able to, like, you know, sleep in and just rest, and I'll feel okay. My ear is hurting so bad. Yeah, just feeling kind of rough this morning, but I'm gonna have coffee. I'm not putting on makeup. Like, I have to prioritize just getting more sleep this morning, so I woke up a little bit later. So yeah, like, makeup was just not the priority this morning. Sometimes you just gotta be like, okay, I'm taking care of myself. And I didn't wear any yesterday either. But at any rate, I'm going to get ready and go to work, and I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Hey guys, so we're in the car. I know it's probably really dark. We just went into Walmart. I didn't vlog anything. A light behind me does not help. Nope. But we're gonna go to Publix now, and you know, hopefully it's not as crowded. So I need to get several things for some food I want to make. Oh, the pigs in a blanket. I forgot. I want to make pigs in a blanket, but I didn't write anything down. So we're just gonna like hope that I remember everything. And yeah, I got my dad a couple more things. Like, I didn't know what to get him. Men are so hard to shop for.
They're easy.
Yeah, they're easy because they say nothing.
Exactly.
But then in January, it's like, oh man, I wish I had this. But you won't say anything before then.
Nope.
Ridiculous.
Yep.
But I also need to wrap some presents. I don't know if I'll do that tonight or tomorrow night. I think I'm going to make a couple things tonight and then the rest tomorrow, because I get off a little bit earlier and I won't have to do any shopping. So yeah, let's go in Publix. And I hate grocery shopping. Yes, it's high class. They're nice in Publix. I mean, hell, they may be mean here too. Who knows?
They're on
I feel like everybody...
Chick-fil-A.
I don't know about that. I might look for a couple more stocking stuffers too. Maybe. Oh, she looks rough. Okay, I'll talk to you guys in a minute. All right, so we're home, and we got a lot of horrible things for us to ring in the new year or whatever the hell that is. Anyway, so we got some drinks, some terrible stuff. I got a few things for dinner. I also got, like, I love olives, and I'm gonna have olives and bread and butter pickles is like a little, I don't know what you call that. I guess finger food or like hors d'oeuvre or something. But anybody else do that? Somebody else did it one time and I really liked it. Got some corn, a little veggie tray just to have out, one little bottle of wine, nothing special. Did get some almond milk nog, so like eggnog or whatever. And then Zach's gonna go get some, what are we gonna use for it? Rum? Brandy?
Brandy would be sweeter.
Okay, well, we're gonna get something and have this. I'll probably have some tomorrow night and maybe Christmas. And then things for deviled eggs, which I'm gonna make. I got a little ham. I got this. So we have a pumpkin pie. It's just a little one. And I'm gonna do like a whipped cream, like smoke out of the car in like a little circle. We're gonna see how that turns out. Got a couple things for my dad. Literally, he's so hard to shop for that I got him 2 pairs of gloves and 2 hats. Yeah, it's ridiculous. Little treats and stuff. Those are terrible for you, but it is the one time of year that you can have them. And then I found these at Dollar Tree too that are little, like, they're kind of like rosy gold or a little bit blush. I'm gonna add into the tree because I just thought they were really pretty. I'm gonna make, if you guys have this combination, if you know what this is, what do you call it? Because my boss made some and called it white trash. And then I heard other people call it like puppy chow, but this is called muddy buddies. I don't know. Everybody has a different name for it, but I'm going to make some of this maybe tonight, maybe not, because I'm already like super tired. So I may just do all the food stuff tomorrow. And then I got these little cups for my mom and dad because my dad hates big coffee mugs and we have a ridiculous amount of big coffee mugs. So these are going to be for them to have coffee and then to take home, to keep. So yeah, a little bit of what I got. And now we're going to eat dinner and chill out. And that's pretty much the rest of the night. But I am going to film advent calendars. So I will do advent calendars before we end the video. So I'm gonna do advent calendars now, and then I really need to edit this video because this is getting pretty late already. So yeah, I mean, I've just gotten Christmas ready. I feel like this is another boring vlog, and I can tell, like, you know, the interest in Vlogmas goes like down, down, down every video that I do. So I definitely don't think I'm gonna do it through the end of the year. Because I get like fewer and fewer views as it goes on, but I get it, like they're not that interesting a video, so I understand completely. But let's go ahead and do a glossy box. This is getting so lightweight now. Hey buddy, Minners is like all up under me. So we've got just 3 days left. We got day 23. This one feels like it's got something pretty hefty in it. What is this? This is Context Microderm Regenerator. I have right now a Context it's more like a gel, like an eye cream gel. It's very thin. This one's a daily cleanser and gentle exfoliate 2-in-1 microderm regenerator. So I don't know if I'll try that for myself or pass it to someone. But that's a pretty good item to get. It's a pretty decent size. It's a full ounce. So I could probably use that for a few weeks maybe. All right, Sugarfina day 23. Oh wow. There's no 25 on this one too. So we only have 2 days left of Sugarfina. So these are like little bespeckled balls of some sort. By the way, I just watched, or we just finished watching the newest Grinch cartoon that was with Benedict Cumberbatch, and I actually think that is so cute. I didn't think I would like it because I love the original cartoon, but I think it's really good. So these are birthday cake caramels. I don't know. I'm gonna try it just because I feel like I need to try it. I need to participate is what I was gonna say, but like, weird. That one wasn't for me. Just a little bit weird. Look fantastic. Where are you? Oh, day 23 is right on top. Ow! Got like another tube of some sort. It would be really funny if this was another context item. This is the Filorga Laboratories Meso Mask. It's a smoothing radiance mask. That's all. So that's what that looks like. So again, a couple skincare things, not too bad to receive. I don't know if I'll try these or just pass them to someone, but I will take a look at them and the ingredients and skin type and all that kind of stuff. So that is it for advent calendars, and I think I'm gonna wrap up this vlog. Like literally the most boring. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys tomorrow for Christmas Eve vlog. Wow. And unfortunately I work. Like I cannot wait for the day that I can just film and that be everything, because I would do so much more. Like I would have had my house super decorated. I would have planned. I wanted to turn the camera around, but Sally knows that I'm watching her. I've got like this little stylus that I use for my iPad when I take a bath, and she's playing with it. By the way, that is a not silk, that's a lace curtain and like this little piece of fabric for a backdrop, and she loves them. What have you got, baby? Sally? She lost the stylus in her materials. There it is. No, you can't eat that. Hey, Sally. What you got? Buddy. Hey, bud. Hey, buddy. How you doing? Love you. I love you, boy. Hi. All right. So again, I hope you guys are doing amazing, and I'll talk to you tomorrow for Christmas Eve.